Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to restore default settings for your Lightsync on the Logitech G Pro racing wheel. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the Pro. So whenever you're in the Logitech G HUB, click on Pro, and here go to Lightsync. So make sure that, as you guys can see, we have the colors right here. Make sure that your selected effect is the custom, because here you guys will be able to change it so we can restore to default settings. And now the colors have changed. And whenever we try to do something with the normal effects, then we won't be able to change it. So here we have the custom ones, and here we can restore those default settings. So it's very easy and it's only a click. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.